Welcome. If you've ever been browsing the internet on your phone while watching a video in Chrome, you've probably noticed the small floating video window that pops up on your screen. This feature is called Picture-in-Picture. For some people it's convenient, but for others it can be distracting and unnecessary. If you'd like to turn it off, the good news is it only takes a few quick steps. Let's walk through the process together. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all the important options for your device and the apps installed on it. Once you're there, scroll until you find Apps. Next, tap on Apps. This section shows you a complete list of all the applications on your phone. From here, you'll want to scroll through until you find Chrome. Now, tap on Chrome. This will open up the app settings page where you'll be able to control permissions, notifications, and more advanced features. Once you're inside the Chrome settings, look for the option called Picture-in-Picture. This is the setting that allows videos from Chrome to appear in that small floating window when you leave the app. Finally, toggle off the switch that says Allow Picture-in-Picture. Once this is turned off, Chrome will no longer open videos in a floating window, and they'll only play inside the app itself. And that's it! You've successfully disabled Picture-in-Picture mode for Chrome. From now on, you won't have to worry about videos staying on your screen when you switch apps. If you ever change your mind and want the feature back, you can simply return to the same menu and switch it back on again. Whether you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free experience, or just want videos to stay inside Chrome, disabling Picture-in-Picture is quick and easy. Now you're in full control of how Chrome handles video playback on your device. Thanks for watching.